Have you ever seen a 12-foot tall alien? It's out there. Hi, I'm Howie50. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching. Today's video is really quick. There is some 3D printing going on, which you can probably hear in the background. And that's a specific print, one of multiples that I plan to do for a project that Josh over at Alien3D has started. I'm not sure if you've heard about it. I really think it's cool. It's a community project. Over 680 some parts will make a huge 12-foot tall alien. He's going to put them all together and show it off at MRRF coming up the end of March. We've got 1 month left to get all those parts to Josh. There's still over 200 parts that haven't been claimed yet. I'm doing my part. I hope you can do yours. Pick one. If you've got a printer laying around, start printing. There's a lot of cool stuff. I'll go to his website here in a few minutes and show you how nice he's got that laid out. Shows you the models. You can choose kind of which one you want. You just log in with either your Twitter ID or you create an account. It's a really cool project. It brings this whole community together, and I hope he really does more of these. Josh gave me permission to promote this idea. I really think it's going to be cool. I can't wait to see it at MRRF. Right now I'm printing a part over here on the Ender 3 for exactly that project. Now Josh says on his website you can print in any color. He prefers you print in PLA because he plans to use, or he is using, glue to bond the pieces together. Like I said, you can print in any color you like. You can also add a logo or your name, no profanity, to the model, as long as you don't change the size or any of the edges where it needs to be glued together. Anyway, I think this is really cool. If you got a name or YouTube channel or whatever, put a little logo on there or a little thumbs up. Show Josh how much love this community really has for each other. I said, if you're hiding in the shadows and you haven't been involved in this community, get out there. Get out there and start going to some of these events. Most of them are free, like MRRF. MRRF's free to attend. I'm excited. I can't wait to go. I'm going to be there with some of my maker coins. Maybe you'll get one. Anyway, I can't wait to go see Josh, see the alien, that thing 12 feet tall, twice the height of me. It's going to be amazing. All right, here we are on Josh's website. By the way, the address is www.alien3d.us. Anyway, here it is. He's got advertisements on here for his mystery box, which is really cool. If you haven't seen one of those, check out some reviews done. I think Shep did one. Country 3D did one. Check out the mystery boxes. He's got the full UFO, 1 month UFO, or filaments only. Really cool. And he's got some other stuff on here too, some PETG filaments that look pretty cool. I want to try this glitter flake winter blue. Anyway, back to the project. All right, so if you come up here to projects and select MRRF, you're going to be brought to this page. The 12-foot tall community print. Yep, this thing is going to be 12 feet tall, 11.79 feet, almost 9 feet wide. This you can read through this yourself. Mainly, I just wanted to point out how cool this project is and kind of show you guys how to navigate this site. Like I said, he's got it laid out really cool. So it says you need a 200 by 200 by 200 print volume, but I've actually been able to print some on my Wanhao i3 duplicator, which isn't quite that volume. So you can go through some of these models, and I'll show you that in a second, and find a smaller one that might fit your printer. You cannot scale them. That doesn't help. So don't scale them down to fit your printer. But you can certainly go through the list here and find one that fits you. So and then you'll mail the completed parts to Josh. He wants to get them by the middle of February, but he just announced he's got a month left, so I think he's stretching that a little bit. Looks like right now there's 764 files. I said 684. It's 764 files, and there's still 208 left. We need to get those filled in because Josh sure can't print them all. Anyway, so here is the list of files. There are a ton of them, right? So how do you know? Do you just randomly pick one? Well, go over here. You got this little eyeball. Click on that. It takes you to the bottom of the page automatically. This one here, just a panel, right? You can move it around, check it out. But this surface looks like it would be the outside. That'd be a great flat spot to put a logo on, right? That'd be cool. You can print in any color, like I said. It needs to be PLA because he's going to use gloop to bond everything together. Check out his video that he already started building the alien. He says he has no idea how he's going to get it there, and I believe him. I had to get a U-Haul truck or something. I don't know how he's going to get it there. All right, so let's find another file here. So that was the top. Let's go down here. Check out one of these. There you go. That's a really cool one, actually. I may try to print that one. That looks like it's going to be a more challenging print. Probably, well, maybe. You might be able to get away with no supports on there. Depends on, you're allowed to orient it on your printer as long as you, like I said, don't change the surface or the edges that has to be connected to the other pieces. Let's check out another one. So let's go down here in the 9s. So I'm not exactly sure. I think this is the 9 is the layer height, 7 is probably X, and 3 is Y, something like that. Anyway, let's check out this one. All right, another kind of flat part. But you're going to find a lot of these shaped a lot like this because the print is just so big. It is just massive. But like I said, this is another perfect one to put a logo right on. Or to sign your name to, or whatever you want to do. If you don't know how to add a logo to the model, check out Mesh Mixer. It's by Autodesk. It's free. And you import, say you chose this model, you would import this model, and then you import your logo, and then you can combine the two. There are a ton of videos on YouTube. I don't know of one specifically, but there are a ton of them on how to use Mesh Mixer. It's pretty easy. Just make sure that when you're done adding your logo, like I said, it doesn't change the shape of the model or the scale. And make sure you use a combine function so that it combines your logo with the model. Otherwise, your logo may fall off. You don't want that. So let's check out another one here. Let's go down to 17. That one's kind of a cool shape too. It's fun to try to figure out where this is going to be. I mean, what this is part of his back, or but who knows? It would be kind of cool to have a map to kind of show you, where your part is, but also part of it's a mystery. I can't wait to go and try to figure out where this is a neat piece. To try to figure out where mine is. That almost looks like maybe, I don't know, maybe that's his neck, or maybe it goes this way and it's an armpit. Maybe it's his nether regions. I don't know. Anyway, like I said, that's how you can browse the models. And if you pick one Down here like this is a smaller model. You could probably print that with a smaller than 200 by 200 build size. So you'll just have to check it out, throw it in your slicer, see if it fits on your print bed, and go from there. But at least pick one. It's a really cool idea. Like I said, check him out on YouTube, Alien3D. Check him out on Twitter. He just hit 100 subscribers, and I bet you he'd love another 100. So subscribe to him. It's really about promoting the 12-foot tall alien. I think it'll be cool. I think you should do it. Get your printer working. You know it's just sitting there, and I don't know, what are you going to print? Another Benchy or something else? Pick a model, print it, do it. Let's see you at MRRF, and let's see you find your project on the 12-foot tall alien. All right, so I showed you the website. I showed you how to navigate it. I showed you how to look at the models. Isn't it a great project? It'll be super cool. Can't you wait to go to MRRF and find your model on the 12-foot tall alien? 12-foot tall. It'll be cool. There'll be plenty of other cool things there too. I think Joel from 3D Printing Nerd, I think he might be going. I know Country's going. So there'll be a lot of people there. It'll be really cool. All right, yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to plug Alien3D. If you haven't watched his videos, or if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. He just hit 100, and I know he'd love 100 more. And on that note, if you haven't subscribed to me, I need him too. Go ahead and hit the like button and show Josh some love by picking up a model and printing it. All right, until next time, let's 3D print everything.